Hi guys, it's Dorian. Welcome to my channel. So this video, I'm going to be tackling makeup. I'm going to be doing the I tried following videos, and I've chosen a simple makeup look because I don't want to start off with too much of a bang. But I'm going to be copying a makeup look from AINA. Did I succeed? Well, stay tuned and see how it goes. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, come on, Jackie. Come on, intros.
It's easy to achieve. It is good for all complexions. Now, you can obviously tweak it and change it around however you want or however you see fit. But without further ado, I'm going to show you guys how to get this no makeup look. So let's get started. So on days like this where I know I'm not going to be wearing a ton of eyeshadow, a ton of frou-frou la-la, like when it's really simple, I want the focus to mainly be on my skin. And I want my skin to not only look good, girl, but like glowy and dewy. And since you guys love when I incorporate masks in my tutorials so much, I'm going to start off with my Charlotte Tilbury Goddess Skin Clay Mask. It not only adds a nice glow, but it also like lifts and burns. Like it's one
okay, so we're skipping step one.
Really overpriced, but they actually
this challenge, I also like it because it's going to show me what I'm lacking in my makeup bag. So clay mask of some sort. It's actually the first time that I've heard of a clay mask being used in makeup. But let's see. Unless it's like a bentonite clay mask, I don't know.
15-20 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and get into the makeup.
Okay, 20 minutes. So it's just for the glow. Okay, I haven't claimed it. Next time.
It's their Hydro Gel. It's very light.
Okay.
And because I am gonna be outside, I'm gonna mix it with one of my favorite SPF. This one is from
Whoops.
Serum. So, if you don't mind me, I'm just gonna put a couple drops of that, mix the two in, and hydrate, get it popping.
Hold on. Let me go fetch my moisturizer. Okay, so we moisturize. It's gonna be a bit tough with glasses, having to take it on and off, but my moisturizer, we're gonna moisturize. I'm
gonna do some light color correcting with my Makeup Forever Step 1 Equalizer. This is the caramel one. As you can see, it's kind of like a really rich caramel tone. When I rub it into
guys, I don't know, is
it just
equalizer
blurs out
the same as a concealer? I don't know.
Dark marks. So that way,
but I imagine it might be. I don't know. Let's see. So mine is also like a rich caramelly tone. Let's see. Oh no, gosh. It's quite messy, eh? Okay, so she's just rubbing it in.
Blurs out any blemishes, any dark marks. So that way I can get away with a foundation that doesn't have as much coverage. See, instantly my skin is glowing.
It is. I can't see it, but I imagine it is.
Essence of no makeup it. I'm gonna do some light correcting with my Smashbox color correcting stick. This is probably my favorite to use because it is quick and it's like the perfect shade. And
is mine glowing? I don't know, you guys.
The less you have to worry about trying to cover. It just looks more
What was that?
Color correcting stick. This is probably my favorite to use because it is quick and it's like the perfect shade.
I don't have that either. Color correcting stick.
The less you have to worry about.
Add to the list.
It just looks more natural.
Okay, so it's
I'm
to
gonna
make
take a little bit of my L'Oreal True Match Lumi. What's with these long names? It's a liquid highlighter. Okay, this is in the shade.
guys, this is supposedly the simple no makeup, right? Because it's like we've used
really make my skin glow.
7 different products already. This is the no makeup look. That means I am in for a world of adventure. Ooh, what did she say?
Skin prep is very important because this foundation has
okay, foundation finally. I do have that, though I think I've had this bottle for years now. It's time to get a new one.
You either have to really color correct them really well first, or maybe conceal them and then go in with this, because this is where this is like invisible coverage. That's why
minimal.
It literally feels like you're putting tinted water on your skin.
Okay.
I start at the center of my face by patting it in.
Okay.
And as I work
hold on. So we're patting it in. Okay, glasses off. Okay, I'm coming a bit closer, guys. Is it enough? I think so. I also realize I need to get better brushes, but I don't know, this is obviously not the same one she's using, but this is what I have. So we're dabbing, right? So we're, ooh, gosh, that does not look nice. It's worse because I can't really see what I'm doing. I need to get my contacts. Ooh!
This is great for all skin types. I have oily skin.
Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna put on the glasses so that I can see what I'm doing. Okay, and we're patting, I think. Sorry I'm so close, guys, but I really can't see what I'm doing. Okay, what's next, Jackie?
But I also live in California, so it's really dry here. When I first started wearing this, I took it with me to Miami. And any of you guys that live in the South or live in Miami know that it's very humid.
I can
there.
see a difference already,
and
actually.
I had to blot. I don't remember if I had to blot or not, but it held up pretty well. Like, it didn't separate on my skin too much. It stayed
So we
put,
keep
and I
brushing,
didn't feel
I
like
guess.
I was wearing
Makeup.
If you are looking for something that has a tad bit more coverage, I would recommend a cushion foundation. The one from Lancome is probably my all-time favorite. It is lightweight and it has that water-based.
Just gonna rewind a little because I wasn't hearing what she was saying.
It does not look like
Just getting it carried away with the padding.
It didn't separate on my skin too much. It stayed put, and I didn't feel like I was wearing a ton of makeup.
Is it enough?
If you are looking for something that has a tad bit more coverage, I would recommend a cushion foundation. The one from Lancome is probably my all-time favorite. It is lightweight and it has that water-based feel on the skin.
How do you guys manage your dirty hands during makeup sessions? I suppose I should get baby wipes, right? And probably do not wear a white shirt when attempting to do a simple no makeup look, right? Learning, you see?
But it does not look like you're wearing makeup at all. Now I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury Retoucher Stick. This is probably my favorite way to conceal under eye, but it doesn't really...
Okay, we're concealing under the eye. Okay.
And I find that it blends out just nicely with my fingers, so I'm just going to pat that.
So she's using her fingers, okay? Finger. I don't know if she was using the same color or lighter color, but she said to blend it in with the finger. Oops, I think I've caught my eyelashes. Is that enough?
And then I'm going around it with my foundation brush.
Okay, with the brush.
Before that starts moving around and creasing too much, I'm going to step back with my Lorimer CA Translucent Loop Setting Powder and the tapered kabuki brush from Sigma. This is the F86 brush.
Okay, so I do not have the setting powder. Have to buy that as well.
Which is probably one of my favorites. This is in Your Love is King.
What is it? Blush.
Was that a reference to shop?
What is it?
Too much. I'm going to step back with my Lorimer CA Translucent Loop Setting Powder and the tapered.
I do have this.
From Sigma. This is the F86.
I think this is the blush, right?
Highly recommended. Gotta add a little bit of natural flush, so I'm gonna take my Too Faced blush, which is probably one of my favorites. This is in Your Love is King. And I'm just curious, was that a reference to Sade Too Faced, or was it a coincidence? Because she's not people. Like, favorite. This is in Your Love is King. And I'm just curious.
I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna use this color. And I'm using the same brush, but I'm making a list. Don't worry, I'm making a list. So, ooh. Let's see, how is she applying it? Is it
was
just...
that a reference reference to Sade Too Faced, or was it a coincidence? Because she's not people. I love her. It's not really supposed to look like a ton of color. I'm just adding enough to add some blush. Before I move on to the next step, I am feeling a little shinier than I'd like to be. I'm going to take my Perfect Response Oil Blotting Powder from Iman and a big poof just to press it into the skin. Not going for coverage, just taking away the shine. And I do this because even though it makes my skin look slightly more matte, I have oily skin, so in an hour I'm going to be glistening again anyway. So this is just what kind of tones it down a little bit.
Hey, I don't look too bad. A bit clownish. I don't look too bad.
Cream highlighters are my girl. Cream highlighters just...
Guys, man, but there's so many things. Might as well have been wearing makeup.
This one is from Jouer. It's my all-time favorite cream highlighter in the shade TR. I'm not sure if it's TRA or TR.
So highlighters as well. These are eyelashes, eyeshadows, blushes, and bronzers. I don't know which one are the bronzers. I suppose these are the bronzers, right?
Where the light hits on your face.
Can you use a bronzer as a highlighter?
And it literally just looks like you left the beach. Like, it's so pretty.
Let's see. I'm gonna try it anyway. I'm gonna use, so she's going over her eye area. I'm gonna use this because how is she doing it?
Anywhere where the light hits on your face.
Oh no, that does not look good at all.
And it literally just looks like anything right now at all. And if they come for me, I'm coming for their kids. Okay. You can fill your brows. It's pretty optional. My brows have a pretty nice shape because I just groomed them anyway. So I'm just gonna fill in some gaps. But if you have full brows, I wouldn't worry too much.
Wait. I always struggle with the brows. Wait, Jackie, wait. Okay. So my brows are my most difficult area because I cannot for the life of me figure out how to draw them. Guys, I'm sorry that I'm so close to the phone, but I can't see, so I'm looking in the mirror, right? My brows, I feel strange when I fold them in, so let's see. So she's just adding tips at the end.
Like you're done up, if you know what I mean. Sketching in teeny hair strokes. And so
I always try not to make myself look too
I like to do a simple lip,
fakey.
But I like to add a metallic.
Wait, Jackie, wait. So I'm not even gonna do a lot. I feel strange, maybe because I'm used to not having eyebrows. I don't even know, they look dumb now. Ugh. But it's fine. I think I'm gonna go get them professionally shaped. Oh no, they look ridiculous. They look absolutely ridiculous. I need to go get them professionally shaped, but I do know that whatever I'm doing is not what I'm supposed to be doing. I look dumb. I look like those African aunties at parties whose eyebrows are no. But let's carry on.
Shiny and full, so
Okay,
I'm first going to line them with ColourPop K liner.
I always like to add Vaseline
it's
on
in
my
the shade
lips.
Copper Cliff.
Okay, she lined the lips first.
I'm going to take my Black Radiance pressed powder in the shade Ebony. It's just dark enough.
If she realized she forgot bronzer, that means bronzer is not the same as a highlighter. Whoops. Oh, you're supposed to even draw it all over yourself. Oh, okay. Jackie, you're going a bit too fast. Okay, so now I gotta go bronze my body as well, or the rest of my face as well. I didn't even know this was a thing. I sort of throw it all over her body. I feel very strange already, guys. Very strange. This is really not me. But some people will be proud. Some people have been waiting for me to wear makeup. So some people will be proud. I'm learning though, Jackie. I'm learning. I know I'm using a wrong brush, but don't worry. I'll go Google different brushes and what to use them for, because now I'm just making a mess. Okay, let's use the hands, but I've bronzed my face, I think. No, but the eyebrows really look silly. I feel dumb. I feel strange. Okay. I forgot to bring my, what do you call it? My eye, what are those things? Is it mascara? I forgot. Okay, my lips. She left me behind. So
thanks guys for hanging out with today's videos. I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.
Thank you, Jackie. Okay, let's get closer. So this is, I guess, my simple no makeup look, but I can see that I'm wearing makeup, so I'm just gonna say it's a makeup look. But yes, thank you, Jackie. I definitely would not have gotten this far by myself alone. So what do you guys think? Was it a success or a fail? Comment in the comment box down below. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks.